Ho ho ho! This is Crypto News Fan on the Ride, and we talk about a Bitcoin death cross. What? Do you want to know everything about the crypto world, the last information? Yes? Then smash that like button, because it's time for Crypto News Fan on the Ride. Crypto a tope! And remember, today we are giving away a Ledger Nano S Plus with our friends in Ledger. Thank you for participating, and you can buy still for Christmas presents a Stacks Ledger Nano S Plus or X. Do not forget about it. Bitcoin is fighting for the 17,000 line again, and Michael Van de Poppe telling us that we have to break this drawing. We have these two lines, and until we break it for the upper side or down, it's gonna be boring for Bitcoin. We are quite flat right now. We are following the path of 2019 for Bitcoin in December, and if that's so, well, the price action is gonna be a little bit up and down and up and down, but mostly flat. And we have to talk about a death cross incoming. Bleeding Crypto is telling us that nobody's talking about this, but for the first time in history, the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA are crossing for BAT in Bitcoin. I leave you this link in the description where you have in the article all the explanations about what is that death cross, but you have to read there that it's true that in some of the most important crashes of history, like 29, 38, 74, and 2008, it was a bad sign, but a lot of times this just means a rebound in the market or in the crypto asset. So just have it with a punch of salt, because nobody knows really what's gonna happen. The truth is, we have there the incoming cross for the first time in Bitcoin, and that's not a good thing. Also, not a good thing, the kiss of death that you can watch also in Fan on the Right Crypto, that told us that S&P 500 should go down till here, which is a very bad thing. And right now we are following the path for the stock market that we draw. So that means we're gonna go down next days. Remember, I'm not an expert. This is not financial advice, and everything depends on the macroeconomies and the dollar, etc. So right now, dollar going up and Bitcoin going down as usual, and news about the stock market are highlighting some Sagat and also, for example, Amazon. We are talking about some of our favorite technology companies. Coin is at a minimum, the all-time low. Also bad news for MicroStrategy going down. Also for Tesla that keeps on going down. And we wonder about Tesla, and we wonder about Twitter. Elon Musk, what are you doing? Right now, still supporting crypto, and now it's adding Bitcoin and Ethereum as an price index in Twitter. So if you go there and write a dollar symbol with some stocks and some crypto, you'll have there the information. With TradingView, you have in the description a link to TradingView if you want to trade like a pro and help the channel. There you have a discount using it. And also there's a link to Robinhood also if you use it. And we wonder how much has Robinhood paid to Twitter for having this publicity. Right now we don't know about that, but we will for sure in the future. Are we gonna have a Santa's rally this year? Well, maybe. There's this Twitter expert telling us that it's gonna happen, and this will be the beginning of the recovery for Bitcoin. I talk about that in this video. I leave you the link in the description. And remember, that means that the 4 or 5 days of the year in course and the first 2-3 days of the next year, the price goes up. But remember, for Bitcoin, here we have it in TradingView. Then last year we went down, and 2 years ago we went down too. Just in 2021 we went up, and that was because we were in a rally already. So we'll see what's gonna happen in January. We'll talk about that next week. But if we are following the path for December of 2019, then maybe we will recover a little bit on January. So that would be so good. And we'll see about Dogecoin, now still trying to find support in the descending channel. Ethereum between the lines again, so boring too. And now the peer-to-peer exchange Paxful that dislisted Ethereum. What? They don't like it now, it's POS. We don't like you, Paxos now. And Binance Coin, what about it? Well, it is going up, still flat. And that's a good thing. It's not crashing, but we still concerned and for good. Now they are telling us they are going to give an airdrop of Loon and Loon C. We don't care about that, Binance. And also Loon C that went up 6%, or rumor that Coinbase is buying Loon C. Why would they do that? News for Litecoin, they are adding 10 million transactions in 10 days. What? Yes. Good news for Litecoin that it's following the yellow path to its halving. If you want to know more information about this, we have a specific dedicated video to Litecoin halving in our channel. In the market, we're experiencing fear in the 27, and our main chapter, of course, SBF, now in American soil, and we have a lot of controversy about the bail he has to pay to be out of prison right now. He has to pay 250 million. Well, the truth is it has to be like 10% of that. He allegedly had just $100,000 in the bank account, so he can't pay that, but he has his parents and also some friends, so finally he paid nothing, but he has secure this responsibility of paying with their parents' house, 4 million worth, and some other friends, maybe people that wants to have something from him in the future, recover their funds in the first place, are paying for him being at his parents' house. He has to be there, but he can go out if he feels that he needs to do exercise, and also if he needs to get some medicine, etc. He has access to the internet, and a lot of people in the community so mad because this is not the way you treat a criminal like himself. In our opinion, people has lost a lot of money and he is just having fun with their parents at Christmas. That's not okay. Kim.com telling us that something smells fishy, that maybe Sam is helping the SEC, not revealing some information he has that may be wrong for the SEC. So that kind of means that if you behave, they behave with you too. They give you special treatment. That's not good. He even had special treatment in Bahamas jail, where he had access to TV, personal toilet, and also vegan food. So they say that was a terrible jail, but not for SBF, so terrible criminal allegedly. So bad for him and so bad for Caroline and also Wang that work in FTX. They are pleading guilt and cooperating with authorities. So everybody is being nice there, and who knows what's happening behind the curtains there. Even we know now that the SEC General Counsel is quitting after the cozy relationship with SBF and FTX. So Gary is not resigning, but they have now this person that is gonna have the blame probably. And who knows what happened in those meetings with FTX, where they were allegedly treating them with a special treatment, which is not legal. And in the future, maybe some responsibilities will come out of it. Right now, people asking for FTX to give their money back, and they're trying to have those donations that some people did, and also for the politicians, and the money gave to charity organizations. They are like, give that back and give it to the users that are the real owners of that. Also, $450 million in shares are in Robinhood, and 3 entities are trying to get that money back. Sam itself is trying to do that. Also, another entity, individual, and BlockFi is trying to have that money. Is right now frozen, but we'll see about that stock, who will recover it. Maybe BlockFi will do it. That would be good for the users that lost money there, that they have their accounts frozen, and maybe in the future they will have that money back. I leave you this link in the description where you have all the answers you need. If you had a loan there, you are not in the need of paying back, you don't have interest right now, you are okay with that. And also about the recovery of your funds, that they say that right now you can't do that, but they are trying to make that a possibility. Remember past videos, watch them, we talked more about this. And now the FTX token is called a security. Too late. And what that means for Binance token, we're still so scared about that. And more scared were in Blockfolio, where they had the takeover funded with 94% of FTT tokens. So you can imagine what happened with Blockfolio. Now the good tracker for us is CoinTracking, the only one we trust for tracking our portfolio and also for our tax report. And now our friends are giving away some upgrades. So if you want to participate, you have the link in the description to Twitter in CoinTracking. Follow them and participate. Good news in the crypto sphere. The president of Brazil already signed the bill regulating the use of Bitcoin as payment. And for the good hackers out there, they got 52 million in bug bounties. And that's a good thing, because they would be able of stealing a lot, and they help us. And you have to help yourself with crypto safety. Right now we have a virus infecting more than 100 wallets. So be careful, be so concerned about what are you installing in your cell phone, because they are acting like this. And be careful if you use LastPass, because now they say that hackers stole customers' password vaults. So your email, your passwords are in danger if you used it in the past. The market, I think, is started going down. The bubble's crazy for Doge and FTT going up. What? Can't believe that. We had a rug pull now called Click for Inu. So be careful with these scams out there that drop 98% in minutes and disappear. Be careful with that. Also, Anchor, now they are telling us that the 5 million crypto hack was an insider job. So you can trust no one. The most important ones going down right now. We are down from $40 billion in the DeFi ecosystem. And with the DeFi and Metaverse news, this one about Fortnite, remember, they had this fine, 250 million, which is crazy. And right now, people concerned that maybe all that things you have to worry about in order to protect the childs, you have to do that in the Metaverse, or you'll have those fines too in the future. In Argentina, they are so happy with the World Cup, and right now entering the Metaverse. The Argentine Football Association is partnering with the Metaverse startup after World Cup win. So good for that, and so good for our friends over the Reality, our partners, that now they have a new draw in Twitter. I leave you the link in the description to participate. And if you have your cell phone and your account in Over the Reality, you can go there and help the world map everything. You have to map something related with the Christmas theme, and you will be able on participating on those prizes. So cool. We're gonna talk a lot about map to earn in Over the Reality. Also, remember to vote. January the 10th is the last day. We are in promotion of Parrita Brava, our friend that created this snowball, also with the cat, with Ethereum, with some watermelon and a Santa Claus. Happy Christmas to everybody. And let's talk a little bit about technology before the end of the show. Remember, this was internet in 1993, AOL, Yahoo, Netscape, and you can see and you can see how as time passed, we had eBay there, Amazon started coming, and also MySpace going down, then YouTube and Facebook so tough up. And finally, this is 2022. This is the war right now between the most important ones. We'll see in the crypto sphere which will be the cryptos that remain there in 10 years from now. If you want to give a good Christmas present and take a good opportunity, go to Bitbase, where you can buy material Bitcoin. They have material Bitcoin and material Ethereum, a really convenient way of storing your crypto that we talk in specific videos in the show. Thank you. Right now, you're gonna have a discount if you go there and buy the wallet and also some crypto. So cool also for Bitbase that now they have a new ATM in Burgos, Spain. Congratulations, and congratulations to our partner CoinX that are celebrating 5 years. We were in their celebration, and if you follow them on Twitter and Telegram, you'll be able to participate in and earn some cryptos as you like. Take control of everything and keep on learning with Audible. Link in the description. You have the channel, and also you help us if you use Amazon's link to buy whatever you want. For example, these sheets where you can dream on Bitcoin. The winner of the Ledger Nano S Plus is going to be told in tweets, so it will be also then in the video in Spanish in YouTube. If you wanna know if you are the winner, go there. And we don't have today more time, but if you want to watch this in Spanish, you know our primary channel, Fun on the Right. And if you want more in English, just wait to next Crypto News, Fun on the Right, Health, Money, Love, Party in Peace. The best is yet to come. Crypto a tope, and Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!